Alright, what I got here is some parts to show you. I plan on doing some ceramic coating experiments, and some of these parts I'm going to use and some of them I'm not. This is a cylinder head, and I just recently got this. This is for the Weld repair engine I'm going to be building and testing, and the guy sandblasted it so it's nice and clean, and that's what I was looking for, a nice clean surface for the ceramic paint. And I took some sandpaper to the head gasket surface, and turned out pretty good. Got it pretty smooth there. That's about as good as I could get it without wasting too much sandpaper. And then of course the piston. Now on the piston I'm just going to coat the top, the very top, and the idea is to get the heat from the combustion out the exhaust port here, most of it. And so just the very top of the piston, keep the piston cool. And then of course, or what I wanted to show you is the valves. What kind of coating I'm going to do with that, if I could get this thing out of here. Okay, this is the intake valve, and I'm going to go ahead and coat both of them. Now there's a line right here, a blue line, and from the line to the edge of the valve, I'm going to go ahead and coat that with ceramic paint. From the line to right here there's a casted T. I don't know if you could see that. There it is right there, the casted T. That's all going to be ceramic coated, and that's going to help keep the heat off the valve stem, of course, for the exhaust valve. And then for the intake valve, it's hopefully it'll help the heat not get into the intake charge, you know, the fuel and air mixture. And so I'm kind of interested to see how that'll turn out. And of course this is all part of the Weld engine repair, and I think for that engine I'm going to add this oil seal. I just got this in. This one is a really good fit. It's got a nice good seal, but not too much tension. It's dry right now, so it's got a bit of tension, but with oil it's really nice. Of course it's a perfect fit for the block, and this oil seal is a very common oil seal for Briggs, well, the size anyway, and it's it fits 2 horsepower through 5 horsepower Briggs horizontal flatheads. It also work on the animal, so I think later on more people might decide to use this type of oil seal to help keep dirt out of the oil. And of course that's what I'm going to be looking for too, to see how clean the engine oil is when I take this motor apart after test running it. So that's about it for now. So the only thing I'm waiting on is a toaster oven. I decided to get a toaster oven so that to correctly ceramic coat these parts, they need to be cooked at a high temperature for like a couple hours or so. So that'll need a toaster oven. I'm not going to use mine. I'm going to use one that I could probably throw away when I'm done with the experiments. So that's it for now.